भारतीय सिनेमा के एक स्तंभ को सम्मानित करने में आज इफ्फी 2018 को अत्यंत हर्ष और गर्व की अनुभूति हो रही है। स्क्रीन राइटर मिस्टर सलीम खान।
I personally very strongly feel that there is nothing original. Originality is the art of concealing the source.
It's an extremely proud moment for the Khan family, and the fact that such a prestigious award has been bestowed on my father. Thank you very much, all of you all. And unfortunately, he could not make it, and in his absence, I have been here to receive the award on his behalf. He had a few things to say, so he sent me an SMS, and he says, please read it out just the way I've said it. He wants to thank IFFI, the Information and Broadcasting Ministry, Government of India, for honoring me with Indian Personality for Lifetime Contribution to Indian Cinema. I dedicate this award to Indore, my birthplace, and Mumbai, my workplace, and the film industry, which has given me everything. I would also like to thank Mr. Javed Akhtar, without whose contribution this would not have been possible.
Walter Mikhail.
Yeah. Uluwonk Maka Kushal Kai Bokta. It gives me great pleasure to address all of you on this special occasion. Cinema knows no language, and with all of you, filmmakers, delegate, audiences coming from around the world, this 49th International Film Festival of Goa proves just that. Your films inspire all of us. They entertain us, they make us cry, but above all, they connect us all as human beings. Next year, we are now preparing for the 50th Film Festival of Goa. It will be the Golden Jubilee, and therefore, we invite all of you to participate in the next International Film Festival, to give us your ideas, and we'd like all of you, the key stakeholders, to be partners with us for the Golden Jubilee Film Festival. Haum tumka soglyank unhonit urbi dita. I congratulate all of you. Dev Borin Kuru. May God bless you. Mog Asundi. Goodbye.